Apple to the upside is going to be above. I like it here, but let me see. Nope, right here. Man, that's so close. Oh, it's right there. That's a gold level. I want to show you the guys this. I want to spend a second on this one. Everybody see this? Look how many times this is touched, right? This is a gold level. And then it did it again here and then here. So Apple to the upside, huge resistance at 166.21. So that's the upside. The downside is going to be 165. You can see all of it right here at this 165.10, 165.11. See it all? So we want to make sure we get through that. Does that make sense, everybody? Why I'm doing that? AMD. AMD's pretty clearly defined up here. Well, let me see. This one's kind of sketchy. I think we can get in here a little early. So 151.70 on AMD up. Let's go 151 down. Amazon. This one's a better setup, easier. 179 up. It's going to be a huge level right here as soon as you hit this. Yeah, 179 up. Oh, yeah, pretty easy. And 178 down. There you go. All right, now Google. So the same thing right here, right? We can clearly see that Google is at 158.86, and it did it again here yesterday. The problem with the 158.86 is you're 14 cents away from 159. 159. So this one's a little tougher. So, but damn, let's just move it up. Let's just give it the 19 cents. So instead, let's make it 159 up. It's 14 cents away. Rather be safe than sorry. Even though I think we can get in there a little early. I don't want anybody to get chopped up. So 159 up, 158.30 down. Mara. Let's see. 1760 up, 1724 down. I just wanted to show you guys what a ridiculous move this had. So yesterday when we called this out first thing in the morning, it drove all the way up here. It pulled all the way back below VWAP, and then it broke for new high of days. See it up here? Just a crazy, crazy, crazy situation. Lots of money made there. All right, let's see. 404 up on Microsoft. 402. Oh, right here. 402. Nope, it's a little lower. 402.70 down. Microsoft might break this 404 before the bell even rings. Netflix. This one's all over the place this morning. Just give me 1 second. This one's kind of a disaster. It's funny, if you look at the volume on Netflix in the pre-market, see the dots? That means no volume, right? And then later in the, yeah, look at it. It's only had 12,000 shares have been traded for Netflix in the pre-market. Let's go 550, 550 up, 554 down. Okay, NVIDIA. That is 808.50 up. NVIDIA has been moving quite a bit. And 805.50 down. Again, it's so close. Let's go 803 down because it's 803.27, but that's just too close. You guys see it? So look at this channel. Look how clearly this channel is defined, though. You can see everything up top, and you can see down here and right here. Does everybody see those levels? Okay, good.
Yes, sir.
Yep. That's NVIDIA. Qs. All right, the Qs. Looks like the Qs are at, man, this one's so close too. So do we do the 40 cents early or let's go, you know what? Let's just do yesterday's pre-market high because you already know this is going to be a gold level on your setup. So 421.20 up, and that's gold, by the way. If that can't hold, you're going to get a big pull from that. Big, big, big level for it. So 421.20 up, 420 down. That's the Qs. All right, Soxol, 33 up, clearly defined here. See it? And 32.40 down. SPY. All right, let's see what we're working with here. Same thing. SPY's trying to break this 501.50. The pre-market high yesterday is really up in the clouds. So let's do this. Let's split the difference. But I need you guys to know this one. So we're going to go 502 to the upside on SPY. But you need to know that 502.38 is a huge gold level of resistance because that is a previous day high. Okay. So it's going to give you a small 40-cent window to be careful with. And then to the downside is I can't get to 501. $500.80. Last one, Tesla. Let's see, Tesla. Tesla's got earnings, what, tonight? All right, let's see, Tesla. Don't know if I like it there because it's 13 cents away. So 143.50 up, 143.50 up, 142.50 down. Yeah, right there. All right, that's it. There's all your pre-market setup levels. Let's see if any of those stocks that we were looking at earlier did anything else. Okay, this one's pulled back. Nothing here. Oh, this one did pop. Look at that. You guys see that SMFL? Remember we were on this one this morning. Said as long as it didn't break below 513. Everybody see it here? Look at that. Went from 513 to 670. Did anybody make money in that SMFL?
I did, Coach. I made $600 on it.
Oh, goodness gracious.
You got $2,200, Coach. Thank you.
Holy shnikes. You guys are awesome. All right, let's look at Pally. This is another one that we were checking on. So we saw, here's all the major levels that I have on my screen. Yeah, so this pulled back to this 581, and then it moved up to 640. But again, this bad boy has 20 to 40 cent moves, right? 20 to 40 cent moves if you watch these candles, which is really impressive for being that small.